Welcome to FreeCAD new session, and in this session we will convert this orthographic drawing into the 3D model. So let's start. So here I have activated part design workbench. I will create a new file and I will insert a new body, and then I will on my origin plane, and from here I will switch to the orthographic, and now we will read our model. So as we can see that it is a square 52 by 52, and here is also a square 18 by 18, and there is a loft between bottom profile and top profile, and there is a cut. So for this I will select this XY plane and I will create a sketch, and I will go to the tree view and of my origin plane, and now here I will select a rectangle. I will draw a rectangle, and then I will go for with symmetrical constraint. I will select this point, and the center point, and now it is a symmetrical. Now I will select this edge and this edge and make it equal, because here it is a square. So now I will select this one and I will give the horizontal dimension of a 52, and I will switch to the isometric. Our sketch is fully constrained. I will go to the combo view and I will close the sketch. Now I click on the pad, and the pad height we can see the 5 mm, so I will give here the 5 mm. Now I will say OK, and now we need a plane from this face at the distance of 18. So I will select this face and I will click on the datum plane, and from here in a Z direction I will enter the 18. So we can see that a plane has been inserted here. Now I will say OK. Now I will switch to the isometric view. I will select this plane and click on the sketch, and now we can see here it is a square 18 by 18. So simply I will select a rectangle, and now like we did for the bottom features, we will make it symmetric. I will select this point and the center, and select this edge and this edge by pressing the control key, and now make it equal, and I will give the dimension of 18. Say OK, close, and now I will move to the tree view, select my datum plane and press the space bar. So we have made our one profile here, and now we will make our second profile on this face. So I will create a sketch, and I will select a rectangle. So here it is a 37 by 37. So we will do the same procedure. Select this point and origin point, make this one and this one equal, and give this dimension of 37, and our sketch is fully constrained. Now switch to the isometric and close it. Now we have the two profiles. We will go to the tree view, so we will select the second one and first one and click here on additive loft and say OK. So you can see that this features has been made, and now we will make this top feature here, and then we will adapt this cut. I will switch to the isometric. I will select this face and I will create a sketch, and now I will switch to the isometric. Now I will select this all edges and project it. Now I will switch to the top view, and now I will draw a rectangle on my projected geometry, and I will switch to the isometric. I will close it, and here height is 8 mm, so I will simply extrude to the 8 mm, and I will say OK. Now here is a cut of 8 mm of a square 11 by 11, so I will select this face and I will say sketch. I will switch to the isometric, and I will prefer to draw on the isometric, so I will select this rectangle and I will draw a rectangle, and okay. So now I will make it symmetric. Select this point and center point, and I will make this equal. I will select this line and give my dimension 11 mm. I will close it, and now I will remove the material of depth 8 mm. I will select my sketch, go for the cut and give the depth of 8 mm. I will say OK. So here I will switch to the isometric view. So this is how we have converted our orthographic drawing into the isometric model. Now we will give some color to our part. So I will go to the tree view, go to the appearances, and from here I will give it a brass or any color you can give. Or I can also select for some random color. But I would prefer to go with a chrome. So this is how we have converted our orthographic drawing into the isometric. I can also show you the actual model, isometric model image. So you can see that we have exactly made our model with respect to our drawing. We can see all three on a screen. This is orthographic, and this is the isometric image of orthographic, and this is how we have converted this orthographic drawing into the isometric as per the isometric image. So this is all about this tutorial, and this tutorial is designed for the basic user of a FreeCAD, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD. And if you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share my video, and you can also support me on ko-fi.com. its link is given in a video description. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will help me to make the more useful video and advanced tutorial on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.